Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're stepping into a piece of American automotive history that helped shape the roads, the farms, and the working spirit of a generation. This is the story of the Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck, a vehicle that wasn't just built to drive, but built to work, endure, and inspire loyalty that still lives on today. First introduced in the late 1940s, the Chevrolet 3100 became part of Chevy's legendary advanced design truck series. At the time, America was coming out of World War II, and the country needed strong, reliable vehicles to rebuild businesses, farms, and everyday life. The 3100 answered that call. It was rugged, simple, and dependable, everything a working truck needed to be. What made the Chevrolet 3100 stand out right away was its bold new look. Unlike earlier boxy trucks, the 3100 featured a wider cab, smoother body lines, and a more comfortable interior. Chevrolet focused not just on strength, but also on the driver's experience. The cab was roomier, visibility was improved, and long workdays behind the wheel became more manageable. Under the hood, the 3100 typically came equipped with Chevrolet's trusted inline-six engine. It wasn't about speed, it was about torque, durability, and reliability. These trucks hauled lumber, tools, crops, and equipment day after day without complaint. For many owners, the Chevrolet 3100 wasn't just transportation, it was a business partner. Another key reason the 3100 became so popular was affordability. Chevrolet priced it competitively, making it accessible to small business owners, farmers, and tradesmen. It was easy to maintain, easy to repair, and built with parts that could survive rough conditions. By the early 1950s, the Chevrolet 3100 had become a familiar sight across America. From dusty rural roads to growing city streets, these trucks were everywhere. They represented hard work, progress, and reliability, values that resonated deeply with their owners. As we move into the second part, we'll explore how the Chevrolet 3100 evolved, why it became a classic, and why enthusiasts still restore and cherish these trucks today. Stay with us, because the legacy of the Chevrolet 3100 is far from over. By the time production of the Chevrolet 3100 came to an end, it had already secured its place as one of the most iconic pickup trucks in automotive history. What began as a hard-working tool eventually became a symbol of American craftsmanship and timeless design. One of the reasons the Chevrolet 3100 remains so beloved today is its simplicity. There were no unnecessary electronics, no complicated systems, just steel, engineering, and purpose. This simplicity made the truck incredibly durable and